Hey, I'm Matt McKenzie, and I am going to show you how to install a 2019 Windows Server on Hyper-V. So you'll choose your location for your VM, you'll give your VM a name, choose Gen 2, gives you a little bit more options on the consoling in, also stores it in VHDX. You lose some of the legacy pieces, but you do get Secure Boot, UEFI, pretty much recommended for most of the stuff you do now, unless it's the Linux VM. Put in your memory. Actually, always use dynamic. Throw it on the network. Give it about 40 gigs. Grab your ISO. Do server 2019. Click finish. Go on to settings. Bump up the processors. Throw it on a specific VLAN. Okay. Connect. Power it up. Press any key. Alright, choose your language, keyboard setup, all that. If you ever have to repair and install, click on Repair Computer, but we're going to do install now. I've got the trial of Server 2019. And so we've got the standard eval edition. This is server core. There's no GUI. You just get the command prompt and the PowerShell prompt you can get to. Usually better if you're, hey, doing a small web server, don't need a front end, you can do everything remotely. Desktop experience has the GUI. Standard versus data center standard. You can have up to 2 VMs if it's not virtualized. Data center, you can have unlimited VMs if it's not virtualized. Otherwise, there's quite a few differences on standard and data center, but we're not going to go over that. So we're going to choose desktop experience so you can watch. Accept the ginormously long EULA. We're not doing an upgrade, we're doing custom. Just got a blank allocation. We'll just choose next, it'll break it out into different partitions for us. This could take a little bit, so I'm pausing the video for now. Oh, we're almost done. Gotta finish installing updates, and then we'll be rebooted. Alright, back up. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to set an administrator password for the local admin account. Alright, and then it's going to ask you to log in. Of course, it's going to be on Pacific time, so to update the time. The other thing you want to do is set a static IP address. Most servers you don't want is dynamic. And in this case, our next video, we're going to move this server to DC. The other thing you want to do is give it a host name. There we go. And of course, it's gonna have to reboot after this. So, but that's the for the most part, that's the initial setup of Windows Server 2019. Thanks, and join us on our next video.